I tried every glove I could find. Weightlifting gloves, CrossFit gloves, tactical gloves, they all failed. So I built one that didn't. Have you ever been on the sled pull and your grip gives out, not because you're weak, but because the gear you're using just isn't up for it? That was me, and I was sick of it happening every session. The gloves I was using were built for weightlifting reps, not for Hyrox races. They weren't designed for sweat, fatigue, and the stations of the race. I was sick of compromising, so we built our own. We tested dozens of versions, fabrics, palm textures, stitch lines. Some slipped, some tore, some looked great but failed under pressure. We filmed every failure, watched it all back, rebuilt, retested, refined. This wasn't about looks, it was about performance when your body is screaming. When your hands are soaked and you're on that final sled pull, that's when the gloves either become a dead weight or give you what you need. We built for that moment. We kept it clean, breathable on top, reliable under pressure, reinforced where it matters, minimal where it doesn't. You don't need bulky padding, you need precision. Something that doesn't distract you, just performs. We didn't launch after the first good version. We launched after it passed the sweat test. After sled days, heat waves, team training, wall balls, when people started to saying, I forgot I was even wearing them, that's when we knew that they passed the test. These gloves weren't built in a boardroom, they were built in the trenches for people showing up at 6 a.m. For the ones that were doing sled pulls when everyone else was still scrolling. For the ones that were doing sweaty handle carries on the farmers and wall balls that were slipping through the hands, just to shave a few seconds off the clock. Tested, built, no shortcuts. They're race day ready and we're just getting started. Get yours at theroxguys.com.